Ko yung app, hindi siya nagbayad. So sabi ko, may kulang ka pang good things happen kapag wala kang inaargabyadong iba, parang ganon. I'm not saying na there should be bad things happening to her. What are you doing? Ah! Oh man. So ayan, naglalaro pa sila. Kanina nagpapak na ako, friends. Ito na yung mga napak ko kanina. Hindi ko na ipakita kasi hindi sana ako magva-vlog. Wait, ito muna yung iba ko pang nabenta na ipapak ko. Sunglasses, nail polish, lipstick, ito bed stabilizer. Galing sa Amazon Customer Return Palette. Isang tablecloth at isang nail polish. Hindi sana ako magva-vlog kaya hindi ko napakita yung unang mga pinak ko kasi hindi sana ako mag-work for my business today. Pero na-realize ko, ipakita ko pa din yung gagawin ko. Kasi it's business related pa din. Ha? You wanna go inside na? Let me just finish this one. 5 more packages, okay? Can you watch your brother? Okay. May gagawin ako na medyo business related pa din for my husband. Kasi di ba meron siyang 3D printer, tapos nagpiprint siya ng mga kung ano-ano. Nagpiprint din siya, tapos binibenta niya din. Just to support his hobby, parang ganon. Finance his hobby. So sabi ko sa kanya, i-improve ko lahat ng mga listings niya, yung mga picture sa Etsy at eBay. So yun yung gagawin ko. More on photo editing lang din naman. Tutulungan ko siyang i-improve yung kanyang store. So, yun ang aking goal for today. Na hindi related sa pagbabantay ng mga bata at gawaing bahay. After ko nito mag-pack, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa mailbox. Sana ka siya sa mailbox.
Hello.
Hi, Lucas. That hurts my ears. What are you eating? Aray! Oh my God. Katatapos ko lang mag-pack, nandito kami sa labas. Nagre-relax lang dito sa labas. Ayan, pinapanood ko yung pagkamatay ng mga dahon. Plus, hinihintay ko yung magpipick up ng 2 box na to. 2 boots, 2 pairs of boots. Nabenta ko sa Facebook Market. So, ayan, nagre-relax ako dito sa labas habang naghihintay ng pick up.
Look at the one for Andrew, one for you.
Oh, thank you. From me and Maya.
Yeah. Maya and me is yeah.
You're so sweet, Lucas. Magang-maga na ako. Lucas, how many more days before Maya's out? 13 more days before Maya is out. Tingnan naman yung aking ilong. Oh, magang-maga na. Magang-maga na rin yung aking paa. Ready na talaga akong mga anak. Lalagyan na kami ng Christmas tree. Ang kulit ng dalawa. Maglalagay pa sana ako ng kurtina. Kaya lang, gusto ko munang labhan. Hindi makapaghintay itong dalawa. Kinukulit na ako. Maglagay na daw kami ng Christmas tree. So, itatayo na namin. At saka maglilinis pa sana ako. Pero kulit nila. So, I'll just clean this side so we can put up the Christmas tree.
My thing looks at 0, 0, 9, 0 days
2.
until Christmas.
Okay, friends. Magpe-prepare na ako ng dinner. Gigisa lang ako ng green beans at baboy, ganun. Madali lang. I don't feel productive today kasi kanina after ko mag-pack, ano ba ginawa namin? Nagtayo lang kami ng Christmas tree. Tapos natulog si Andrew. Ayun, sinabayan ko siya matulog. Alam niyo na pagod ako palagi. So, ayan, natulog din ako kanina. Mahaba-habang nap, 2 oras. So, hindi ko nagawa yung gusto kong gawin para sa aking asawa. I mean, hindi ko natapos. Why? Hurts? Okay. Okay, better? Okay, go. Ayun, hindi ko natapos yung gusto kong gawin para sa aking asawa. Pero, konti lang. Kumbaga, na-edit ko lang yung mga picture. Pero yung ginawa ko today, in-edit ko yung picture nung isang product. Can dispenser din, pero iba yung size. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Ipapakita ko na lang kung paano ko ginawa. Sa Canva. Sa Canva yan. May subscription ako sa Canva. Diyan ako lagi nag-edit ng mga pictures para sa Amazon products ko. Sa eBay, hindi naman kasi masyadong maarte yung mga picture, di ba? Hindi ko na in-edit. Pero, if you want to make it really more professional, Canva is very good. Maganda siya for photo editing. And especially, meron na siya mga template. So, i-type nyo lang dun sa parang search ng mga template yung Amazon. Tapos, pili kayo dun ng theme na gusto ninyong, may ubo ko, pasensya na, pangit ng aking boses. Yung, pili lang kayo ng theme, and then, ayun na yung template na pwede ninyong i-edit yung inyong picture. So, yun. I really loved Canva for editing our pictures. So, na-edit ko yung picture, pero hindi ko na-edit yung mga listings niya. So, ang goal ko nga kasi is, i-edit ko yung Etsy and eBay listings niya, kasi meron siya mga idadagdag na products. So, hintayin ko siya, mamaya, pag uwi niya from work, meron siyang pinrint na bagong products na pipicturean ko na for Christmas. So, ayun, tignan natin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Maganda actually. So, kaya naging na-excite din ako para sa kanya. Na-excite din ako kasi I think it will sell, sabi ko sa kanya, yung product na piniprint niya. Also, gusto kong i-share may nangyari. Meron akong video na in-upload na sinabi ko or nag-share ako ng mga tips about paano magbenta sa Facebook, di ba? Na minsan, kapag murang mga product lang yung binibenta ko, pinapa-porch pick up ko na lang. Parang I trust na yung mga buyer ko ay magbabayad. And so far, sabi ko sa video na yan, ay hindi pa nangyari sa akin na nag-porch pick up yung buyer, tapos hindi nagbayad. So ngayon, na-jinx ako. Na-jinx nga ba ang tawag doon? Basta parang sa kakasabi ko lang na hindi pa nangyayari sa akin yan in almost 5 years of reselling sa Facebook. Ngayon, nangyari na nga. So, ang kwento, may bumili nung sapatos na $15. Tapos, sabi niya, pwede ba na $7 muna? Tapos, pag na-pick up na daw niya, tsaka niya babayaran yung $8 sa app. Iniwan ko sa front porch yung product, pinick up niya. Chinek ko yung app, hindi siya nagbayad. So, sabi ko, may kulang ka pang $8, pakibayad na. So, baka naman nakalimutan lang. Inisip ko. Tapos, the next day, busy kasi ako kahapon, so hindi ko rin siya ulit na kulit. Pero ngayon, hindi ako masyadong busy. Madami akong hilata-hilata na time. Pero, block na ako sa kanya. Binlock na ako nung buyer. So, sabi ko, ay, tara, hindi talaga siya balak magbayad. So, ang ginawa ko, pumunta ako sa Venmo. Ayun yung app kung saan siya nagbayad. Doon sa Venmo, pwede ako mag-request ng payment. So, nag-request ako sa kanya ng payment na $8. Sabi ko, yung request, may comment. Kinoment ko doon na, if you didn't notice, we have camera. So, I saw you picking up the product and please pay the balance or else I will post you on Facebook groups. Sabi ko gano'n. Ipopost ko siya talaga kung hindi siya nagbayad. Nagbayad siya $6. Ang sabi niya pa, ano ba sabi niya? Tapos ang sabi niya, you're not a civil person. Some things happen in people's lives, you know. Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko naman, ako pa yung hindi civil, ha? Ikaw yung hindi dyan nagbayad, kung nagbayad ka ba, hindi kita para takutin na ipopost kita sa Facebook, di ba? Kulang pa din yung silin niya, kulang pa din ng $2. So, hindi ko rin alam. Sabi ko nga, mamaya tatanungin ko sa asawa ko, ipopost ko ba siya? Dahil sa kulang niya na $2. Parang gano'n. So, kayo tingin nyo, i-post ko ba sa Facebook? Same city kami, so for sure, pag pinost ko siya, may mga makakakilala sa kanya. So, ngayon, nandun lang ako, nagbayad naman siya ng $6. So, 13 out of $15 yung binayad niya in total. Nagdadalawang isip lang ako kung ipopost ko ba siya dahil sa halagang $2. Kaya lang, alam niyo, yung parang hindi naman yun yung $2 eh. Hindi yun yung point ng pagpopost or parang ipahiya ko siya. 'Di ba? Ang point dun is, bakit hindi ka nagbayad? 'Di ba? Nakakaloka. Sapatos pa naman ng bata yung binili niya para sa anak niya. I mean, baka kung pagkain yon or something na essentials ba, baka maiintindihan ko pa. Kaloka. Pero let me know in the comment section below kung tingin nyo, kailangan ko ba, i-post ko din pa din ba siya sa Facebook o ipagpasa-Diyos ko na lang na karma na niya yung $2 niya na hindi niya maibayad. Alam niyo yun? Baka nga, sabi niya, some things happen to people's lives. Okay, baka naman may nangyari. Baka nga, I don't know, baka may masamang nangyari na aksidente or I don't know, something happened raw. Pero bakit mo ko binlock? 'Di ba? Sana nag-reply ka sa akin na, I'm sorry I can't pay you yet, the $8. So, I don't know, just talk to me, 'di ba? Ayan, luto muna tayo. What are you playing?
I do 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, 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 oh.
Get zero.
Yeah.
Get zero.
You got 0? It's like a dice. Oh, by the way, ito ay galing sa store ng isa sa aking mga subscriber. Binili ko sa kanya, sa kanyang Etsy store. Daddy is home. So, sabi ng aking asawa, pinagyan siya ng mga katrabaho niya, parang baby shower para sa aming baby. Pinapupunta niya ako kanina actually, kaya lang talagang hindi ko carry. So, may mga natanggap siyang may mga natanggap siyang regalo for our baby. Let's see. Tada! Diaper. Oh my, that's a lot. Oh, diapers. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh my God. Oh my God. I didn't expect this much, Daddy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's perfect for the Christmas tree. It's like early Christmas. So, tingnan nyo. Ang dami namin na-receive na regalo. Hindi ko in-expect kasi my husband told me that the workmate will give him something today but I didn't expect this much. Akala ko yung mga ilan lang magbibigay ng konting regalo. Kasi lalaki siya eh, di ba? Usually, sa experience ko, pagka ang workmate mo is yung tatay, parang hindi masyadong big deal. Yung babae ang buntis, yun yung parang laging binibigyan ng malaking baby shower sa mga trabaho. So, look at that. Now I feel bad that I didn't come, Daddy.
I told you to come.
I didn't think it's gonna be this big. Oh my
You
God.
should come this morning.
I know, but I didn't think it's gonna be...
There's a lot of food too and stuff.
Yeah, and my food then, look. It's
There's
a...
a lot of good food too, like that people cooked and stuff.
Oh my God, it's like a...
This is just these two are store bought from one of my coworkers.
Yeah. I feel bad. I feel bad for not coming.
There's a lot of food. That's the thing.
He asked me to come today. I really didn't expect that it's gonna be like a big baby shower party. I thought, because usually, again, when you're the guy, the father, who's gonna have a kid, usually in a workplace, at least in my experience, it's not a big deal. They would give some gifts and then that's it.
I work with nothing but women.
I feel so bad. Na-feel bad ako, hindi ako pumunta. I feel bad. We should have come. Because I was so tired all day, and I didn't really want to drive. with two small kids. That's why. But, oh, how would I thank them? I should cook something for them or something. Oh my God. We'll do box opening. I mean, presents. Unboxing. We're gonna do unboxing later. Kakain muna kami, pakakainin ko muna yung aking asawa. Pero sigurado hindi yan gutom kasi ang dami niyang pagkain din. Yeah. Okay, wait lang. Diaper. You can never fail. I really thought you're just gonna bring back some baby wipes and diapers. Okay, fun.
Hey, Mommy.
Domino?
Domino.
I guess this is for me. Because I'm the one feeding the baby.
Sure.
Domino
Let's
pizza.
open it.
No, this is diaper.
Diapers.
Clean bumps and full thumbs from Ashley.
Love you, Daddy.
So you want me to open this first because your daddy said there's something for
There
you.
might be something.
I have something for you. Whoa, look at that.
What about this one?
Whoa, look at that.
Gummy socks.
Then we got some clothes. Aww.
Oh, yeah.
Need a knife.
That needs not.
And a box of diaper. The Christmas tree is just on time, Daddy.
Yeah.
It's almost like we put it up for this. Ito, I like this one. A little bit of everything, like bib, pool, damit. Ah, look at that. So this is probably diaper. This is from Shelby and Susie. I swear I feel bad.
It's okay. Fine.
You should have insisted for diapers. I don't know the size. Baby wipes. Diaper maybe. Oh my god. There's a lot. Size 3. Good. I was thinking like, oh my god, it's a lot. I hope like it's a bigger size.
Yeah.
Because, you know, if it's newborn or number 1, she would only use it for a few weeks. So they know. Because they're also mommies. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Daddy. Oh my god. This is from... Oh, cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hey, Maya, I'm ready. We're ready. Get out of there.
So I can put these shoes on.
Yeah, so you can wear these shoes. My god. Oh, I don't know where to put this. We need a bigger house now. Early Christmas for baby Maya. May every new experience you share with your little girl be wonderful and happy. Congratulations, Ryan and family. From Maxine. Is that Maxine? Green. Aww. I feel like so grateful and guilty. Sabi ko nga na ano ba ako, na feel bad ba, na hindi ako pumunta. So, ayan, babawi kami sa kanila. Pero sobrang pasalamat ako. Hindi ko kasi talaga in-expect yun na magbibigay sila ng sobrang dami. Meron pa kami hindi na ipakita. Yesterday, I think, or last week, I also got one big bag of clothes. It's used but it's all good. Also from your workmate, right? So there's like 2 bags na malaki. Ayun, yung nandoon na yan. Yung katabi, yan, yung plastic bag na yan. Puno ng mga damit. Siguro use ng mga anak nila. Tapos meron pang isang bag nung nakaraan. So sobrang daming damit. Ayan, lalabahan ko yan bukas. Pagpipilian ko din kung ano yung magagamit. Sobrang dami. I'm sure hindi magagamit ni Maya yan lahat. So sobrang dami. Pero yun, very grateful. So sabi ko nga sa asawa ko kanina, alam mo yun, pag di mo na-expect, tas may mga dumarating na biyaya, mas na-appreciate mo, di ba? So, yun, kaya sabi ko kanina, hindi ko na nga ipopost yung ano, parang ito na yung conclusion ko nun sa sinasabi ko kanina na pinag-iisipan ko pa kung ipopost ko sa Facebook yung babaeng hindi nagbayad ng $2. But now I think I will not post her on Facebook because it just feels like it's only $2. You get, you know, more stuff para bang nabibiyayaan ka ng mas madami because you're not trying to do...
But that's like a very, almost like, it's so like for the person to do that though.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's not about the $2 for that person to not pay. Like, and I don't think she will pay me that $6 if I didn't comment on our Venmo conversation. I told you what I did, right? Like, I comment on the Venmo. I said, if you don't pay, I will post you on Facebook. And then she paid $6. Now it makes me think that maybe she really don't have the $8. Maybe all she have is $6.
And on top of that, the husband looks like a cop.
Yeah. Biniyo ng asawa ko yung profile ng babaeng hindi nagbayad. Kasi binlock na niya ako. Pero na-screenshot ko nga yung profile niya. So, biniyo ng asawa ko. Nakita niya parang pulis yung asawa. So, oh my God. But, you know, I'm just contemplating about, because she paid $6. So, parang nag-aalangan ako i-post pa siya kasi $2 na lang naman yung kulang niya. Pero parang ngayon, sobrang feeling ko, ang dami namin na-receive na blessing ngayong araw. So, parang, hayaan mo na, para bang may nagsasabi sa akin, nagbubulong sa akin na hayaan mo na yung $2, good things happen kapag wala kang inaargabyadong iba, parang ganon. I'm not saying na there should be bad things happening to her. I'm not saying that, but I always believe in good karma and bad karma. So, ipagpapasa Diyos ko na lang, I'll just leave that $2 to them or to that other person. We have enough, alam nyo na, biyaya. We have enough to be thankful for. All right. 47. 47. Oh, it's so cute, Daddy. So, ito yung aking pipicturean for...
And this only goes
This is some new products that my husband will be selling. Pipicturean ko tomorrow or later. Ito, countdown din siya. So, multicolor na yung 3D printer niya, diba? Asenso na. Dati isang color lang. But now, he have like up to 4 colors, Daddy. Show me your new toy. I feel like you already have one like that.
No, but can we go like that?
And this one makes different sounds too. Nice.
Andrew, can you show me your toy?
And change every time I click a different one.
Wow, make a sound? Wow. I'm glad they gave something to these two because, you know,
Or maybe because really, really nice.
you're really nice, yeah.